Also, a developing headline at this hour tonight, the U.S. Coast Guard just revealing that they believe they have recovered human remains as they recover the wreckage of that sub that imploded near the Titanic. Tonight, the images here, pieces of that sub unloaded onto a Canadian pier, including that one window, the sub's viewing portal, covered in a tarp. Here's ABC's Stephanie Ramos.
Tonight, as the first debris from the Titan sub is lifted to shore, the Coast Guard announcing that investigators have found presumed human remains that have been carefully recovered within the wreckage at the site of the incident. It comes as cranes hoisted large pieces of the Titan wreckage with cables and wires, what appears to be a panel from the exterior of the submersible, along with one of the sub's end caps.
It's going to take months anyway to go through all these bits and pieces and thoroughly analyze all of the failures, looking at how the hatch separated, where did the first leak happen, and at these kind of pressures, when things go bad, everything's over very, very quickly.
The investigation is expected to focus in part on that carbon composite construction. Industry experts and a former employee had warned OceanGate that that material at extreme depths could weaken with each dive.
Was it part of the composite shell? And taking a look at all these different pieces to see, is there fatigue crack? Is it a purely overload failure? What happened?
David, the Coast Guard says a medical team will conduct a formal analysis of those presumed human remains. And a source familiar with the investigation says authorities are in constant contact with the families of the crew that was on board. David.
All right.